Hello, here we are on Powerdirector 15, and what we're going to do, we've already done a clip of a man walking his dog on the Sony AX53 at 100 frames per second. Now we're going to slow this clip down to 25 frames per second, which is the normal standard sort of thing. So we'll pull the clip down to this timeline. So we're going to slow it down to 25 frames per second from 100 frames per second. I'm going to click on Tools, Action Camera Center. All your little clips come up at the bottom there, little frames. Click on Create Time Shift. The yellow box comes up. You've got little handles where you can pull it to where you want the slow motion to end and start. That's where it's going to end, that's where it's going to start. So I'll put it about there. Once you've done that, click on Apply Speed Effect on the left there. By default it comes up at 1000 frames per second. So we're going to slow this down to 25 frames per second. 25% of 1000 is 250. So straight down to 250. There's various things you can do with the clip. You can zoom in and zoom out, stop the motion, reverse the motion, all sorts of things. Anyway, we're going to ease the video in and ease it out, ease the slow motion in and out, and I'll click OK. The video comes up, click play. And there's your slow motion. So easy on this. And the quality, by the way, if you produce the movie, when you click produce and make the movie, the quality is brilliant.